Webinars are becoming an essential tool in the real estate industry for generating valuable leads. By leveraging the power of online presentations, real estate professionals can reach a broader audience and engage potential clients in an informative and interactive manner. This video will explore the increasing importance of webinars in this field, highlighting how they can effectively attract and convert leads. From planning engaging content to promoting your webinar and following up with participants, we'll guide you through every step of using webinars to boost your real estate business. Selecting the right content for your webinar is crucial for keeping your audience engaged and generating leads. Start by choosing topics that address common challenges or questions your target audience may have. Structure your content in a logical sequence, beginning with an introduction, followed by the main discussion points, and concluding with actionable insights. Remember to focus on providing real value, whether through data, tips, or expert advice. Value-driven content not only holds your audience's attention, but also builds trust and positions you as a knowledgeable resource in the real estate market. Effectively promoting your webinar is essential to attract a sizable and relevant audience. Begin by leveraging social media platforms to spread the word. Create engaging posts and share them across multiple channels to generate buzz. Next, utilize email campaigns to target your existing contacts. Personalize your emails and include compelling reasons to attend. Additionally, consider partnering with industry influencers who can help amplify your reach. Collaborations can introduce your webinar to new audiences and lend credibility to your event. Combining these strategies will ensure your webinar garners the attention it deserves, helping you generate valuable real estate leads. Keeping your audience engaged during a webinar is crucial for its success. Start by incorporating interactive Q&A sessions where attendees can ask questions and receive immediate responses. This fosters a sense of involvement and addresses any concerns in real time. Utilize polls to gather opinions and make the presentation more dynamic. Real-time feedback is another effective tool. Encourage participants to share their thoughts and experiences as the webinar progresses. These interactive elements not only maintain interest, but also create a more personalized and engaging experience, ultimately increasing the likelihood of converting attendees into actionable leads. The follow-up after a webinar is a vital step in converting leads into clients. Begin by sending personalized thank you emails to all attendees, expressing your appreciation for their time and participation. Include additional resources such as links to the webinar recording, downloadable guides, or pertinent articles. These resources add value and keep the conversation going. It's also important to nurture the leads by maintaining consistent and meaningful communication. Follow-up calls or emails, sharing relevant content, and addressing any queries can significantly enhance your chances of converting webinar attendees into loyal clients.